guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be cooking bacon on the grill, but not just any grill, a RecTec grill. So this will probably work too if you also have a Traeger or some other type of grill that is up to par with these other gems of grills. So I will show you how we're going to go about it, how you're going to cook it, and all the processes in between. So crack open your packages of bacon and let's go.
So I've already prepped a couple trays of bacon. You're going to take your trays, like a regular baking tray, like this. You know, it's got the little lip on it, right? And you're going to line it with parchment paper or tin foil. I prefer tin foil because I don't think that the parchment paper will go that well. And you're just going to line everything up. Preferably get the thick cut because it'll work out a lot better on your grill. And then, so we got two trays here. All right, so I'm going to take you out to my grill now, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do this.
What you're going to do is you're going to preheat your grill to 375 and make sure that it gets up there. So we're not quite there just yet, but when it reaches that temperature, that's when you're going to put the trays on your grill.
Once you put your trays on your grill, you are going to leave them there for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you need to open up the grill and bring some type of tongs, and you are going to flip each strip of bacon over to just get that other side super crispy. And you are going to leave them for then another 5 minutes on the grill after you flip them. It's going to be amazing, and the earth is going to smell so good. All right, let's get these babies on the grill.
All right, guys, she's up to 375. Let's get her done. There we go. All right, we're set for another 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Let's check it out. Woo! Oh, look at that, guys. Beautiful. Okay, so we are going to turn it over. That is beautiful and crispy. Oh, I'm super excited. Look at that. Great, great, great. And then what's great too about having the liner down is that you don't get the grease fires in your grill. You know, like it's not going to be a huge issue. So there we go, guys. Pretty awesome. I'm going to transfer some of these over actually. So yeah, that's super awesome. I'm really pleased with that. Yum, yum, yum. So another 5 minutes has passed, and you can see, I know like it's a little bit dark here. I'm trying to get some more light, but they turned out super crispy, turned out perfect. I'm very, very excited about that. So I'm gonna let my grill chill for a bit and cool down. And I'm gonna bring these inside, and I am going to chop them up because they're nice and crispy now for a casserole I'm making, and life is going to be good. This has been really fun.
Guys, using the RecTec grill, using a Traeger, super helpful. If you don't want to heat up your house, especially if it's in the summertime or smells or this and that, it's a great option to use. I'm super pleased with this. Like, it's just off of, see, like right there's my house, there's my RecTec. So it has been a lifesaver for sure, and it's been so great being able to learn about all the different techniques and tips and tricks, and it has brought so much simplicity and flavor to our lives. So next time you want to cook some bacon, definitely think about your grill because it is the bomb. So all right, I am going to sort out this bacon now, and I am going to chop some of it up and sprinkle it on top of a yummy chicken popper casserole that I'm making. And life is going to be super good tonight. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks so much, guys. Take care.